Shakshuka recipe, a flavorful Middle Eastern breakfast. Shakshuka is a vibrant dish of eggs poached in a spiced tomato and pepper sauce, originating from North Africa and popular across the Middle East. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. The combination of onions, bell peppers, garlic, tomatoes, and aromatic spices makes it hearty, healthy, and satisfying. Ingredients: 1 chopped onion, 1 cup thinly sliced bell peppers, any color, red, green, yellow for a colorful mix, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1½ cups chopped fresh tomatoes or canned, drained, 1 hot chili pepper, seeded and finely chopped, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, or to taste, 4 large eggs, 3 tablespoons olive oil. Method: sauté the vegetables. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet or pan over medium heat. Add the onion, bell peppers, and garlic. Cook for about 5 minutes until softened and fragrant. Make the sauce. Add in the tomatoes, chili pepper, cumin, paprika, and salt. Stir well and let it cook for another 5 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Add the eggs. Make small wells in the sauce and gently crack the eggs into them. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for about 5 minutes, or until the egg whites are set, but the yolks are still slightly runny. Serve and enjoy. Your delicious shakshuka is ready. Serve hot with warm crusty bread, pita, or naan for dipping. Tip: you can sprinkle fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro on top for extra flavor. A little crumbled feta also makes it irresistible.